Amazon's Cyber Monday is booming around the world, but many of you might not know about the mega deals and big savings on items. Here, you'll find incredible discount of up to 40% across all your favorite product categories. To make it even easier, we've rounded up 11 of the fry pan set Amazon that can save you a huge amount. So don't forget to watch till the end. All the mentioned product deals links are in the description below. Number 11. The HexClad Hybrid Nonstick 10-inch wok is a high-performance cookware piece designed for both home cooks and culinary enthusiasts. Its innovative hybrid nonstick surface combines stainless steel and nonstick technology, providing excellent heat distribution, easy food release, and durable scratch resistance. The Stay Cool handle ensures safe and comfortable handling while cooking, and the wok is oven-safe up to 900 degrees F, making it versatile for stovetop to oven recipes. Dishwasher-friendly design adds convenience, while induction readiness and compatibility with all cooktops make it suitable for any kitchen. Its 10-inch size is ideal for stir-fries, sautéing, and deep frying, delivering even cooking without sticking or burning. With its sleek, professional look and reliable performance, this wok elevates everyday cooking. Overall, the HexClad 10-inch wok offers durability, versatility, and ease of use, making it a valuable addition to any modern kitchen. Number 10. The Lodge 3.6 quart enameled cast iron covered casserole is a versatile and durable addition to any kitchen. Its enameled cast iron construction ensures even heat distribution and excellent heat retention, making it perfect for slow cooking, baking, roasting, and simmering. The included lid locks in moisture and flavors, while dual handles provide secure, easy handling from stovetop to oven. This casserole is oven-safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit and suitable for stovetop use, offering flexibility for a variety of cooking methods. It is also ideal for marinating, storing, refrigerating, and serving, making it an all-in-one solution for meal prep and presentation. The smooth enamel finish prevents sticking and simplifies cleanup. Sleek, functional, and long-lasting, the Lodge 3.6 quart casserole delivers convenience, versatility, and professional-level cooking performance for everyday use. Number 9. The All-Clad HA1 Hard Anodized Non-Stick Fry Pan Set is a high-quality 3-piece cookware set perfect for home chefs seeking durability and performance. It includes 8, 10, and 12-inch skillets with lids, offering versatility for a wide range of cooking tasks, from searing and frying to sautéing and simmering. The hard anodized construction provides excellent heat distribution and long-lasting strength, while the non-stick coating ensures easy food release and hassle-free cleanup. These pans are induction compatible and oven-safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, with lids safe up to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, adding flexibility for stovetop and oven cooking. Ergonomically designed handles stay cool for safe handling, and the sleek, professional look enhances any kitchen. Overall, this all-clad set combines reliability, convenience, and premium craftsmanship, making it an essential addition to any cookware collection. Number 8. The HexClad Hybrid Nonstick 5-quart saucepan is a versatile and durable cookware essential for any kitchen. Its hybrid nonstick surface combines stainless steel and nonstick technology, ensuring even heat distribution, easy food release, and long-lasting scratch resistance. The included tempered glass lid allows you to monitor cooking without losing heat or moisture, while the Stay Cool handle ensures safe, comfortable handling. This saucepan is oven-safe up to 900 degrees Fahrenheit, dishwasher-friendly, and compatible with all cooktops, including induction, offering maximum versatility. Its generous 5-quart capacity makes it perfect for soups, sauces, stews, and one-pot meals. Easy to clean and maintain, it provides consistent cooking performance for years. Sleek, professional, and highly functional, the HexClad 5-quart saucepan delivers convenience, durability, and precision, making it an excellent choice for both home cooks and culinary enthusiasts. Number 7. The HexClad Hybrid Nonstick Double Burner Griddle is a versatile and high-performance cookware piece ideal for home chefs. Its hybrid nonstick surface combines stainless steel and nonstick technology, ensuring even heat distribution, easy food release, and long-lasting durability. With a double burner size, it offers ample cooking space for pancakes, grilled sandwiches, eggs, and more. The Stay Cool handles provide safe and comfortable handling, while the griddle is oven-safe up to 900 degrees Fahrenheit and compatible with all cooktops, including induction. Dishwasher-friendly design makes cleanup effortless, saving time in the kitchen. Its sleek, professional look complements any kitchen, while its durable construction ensures consistent performance for years. Perfect for large breakfasts, family meals, or entertaining, the HexClad Double Burner Griddle combines convenience, versatility, and quality, making it a must-have for serious home cooks. Number 6. The T-Fal Stainless Steel Cookware Set 11-piece is a high-quality, versatile collection designed for everyday cooking. This set includes fry pans, pots, saucepans, and a Dutch oven, providing all the essentials for preparing a variety of meals. Constructed from durable stainless steel, it ensures even heat distribution and long-lasting performance. The cookware is induction compatible and oven-safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, offering flexibility for stovetop and oven cooking. Ergonomic handles provide comfort and safety, while tight-fitting lids help retain heat and moisture. The sleek, polished finish adds a modern touch to any kitchen, making it both functional and stylish. Perfect for beginners and experienced cooks alike, the T-Fal 11-piece set combines durability, convenience, and versatility, making it a reliable choice for everyday meal preparation and a valuable addition to any kitchen. Number 5. The T-Fal Ultimate Hard Anodized Nonstick Cookware Set 17-piece is a complete and versatile solution for any kitchen. This set includes fry pans, saucepans, a sauté pan, and a griddle, covering all basic cooking needs for everyday meals. The hard anodized construction ensures durability, even heat distribution, and resistance to warping, while the nonstick coating makes cooking and cleanup effortless. Ergonomic handles provide comfort and safety, and the set is compatible with most cooktops, excluding induction. Its generous variety of pieces allows for preparing multiple dishes at once, making it ideal for families or entertaining. The sleek, professional design adds a modern touch to any kitchen. Overall, the T-Fal 17-piece cookware set delivers reliability, performance, and convenience, making it an excellent choice for both novice and experienced home cooks. Number 4. The HexClad Hybrid Nonstick 12-inch Frying Pan is a versatile and durable addition to any kitchen. Its hybrid nonstick surface combines stainless steel and nonstick technology, providing excellent heat distribution, easy food release, and long-lasting scratch resistance. The included tempered glass lid allows you to monitor cooking progress without lifting the lid, helping retain heat and moisture. The Stay Cool handle ensures safe and comfortable handling while cooking, and the pan is dishwasher-friendly, making cleanup effortless. With its generous 12-inch size, it is perfect for frying, sautéing, searing, or preparing meals for families. Compatible with all cooktops, including induction, this frying pan delivers consistent performance and professional results. Sleek, modern, and highly functional, the HexClad 12-inch frying pan is ideal for home cooks seeking durability, convenience, and superior cooking performance. Number 3. HexClad Hybrid Nonstick 5.5 quart Deep Sauté Pan with tempered glass lid, Stay Cool handle, dishwasher-friendly, oven-safe up to 900 degrees Fahrenheit, induction-ready, compatible with all cooktops. Material: aluminum, stainless steel, tempered glass. Finish type: nonstick. Brand: HexClad. Capacity: 5.5 liters. Coating description: ceramic. Is oven safe? Yes. Size: 5.5 quart. HexClad's hybrid technology features a laser-edged hexagonal nonstick surface that combines both stainless steel and our TerraBond ceramic coating for the ultimate sear and easy cleaning. Our hybrid deep sauté is a true workhorse in the kitchen. It allows you to sear, braise, fry, and simmer all in one, and is excellent for one-pot and batch cooking. Tri-ply construction with an aluminum core for quicker, even heating. It's safe to use on any home cooktop or stovetop, including induction. HexClad is metal utensil safe, dishwasher friendly, and oven safe up to 900 degrees Fahrenheit. Tempered glass lids are oven safe up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, while stainless steel lids are oven safe up to 900 degrees Fahrenheit. HexClad products that are sold by HexClad Cookware are backed by a lifetime warranty from manufacturer's defects, commercial and restaurant use excluded. Number 2. The HexClad Hybrid Nonstick 6-piece fry pan set is a premium cookware collection that combines innovation, durability, and style. Featuring 8, 10, and 12-inch frying pans with tempered glass lids, this set offers versatility for everyday cooking, from searing and sautéing to frying and browning. The unique hybrid nonstick technology blends stainless steel and nonstick surfaces, ensuring excellent heat distribution, easy food release, and long-lasting scratch resistance. Stay-cool handles provide safety and comfort while cooking, and the pans are compatible with all cooktops, including induction. Cleanup is effortless due to the nonstick surface, and the tempered glass lids allow easy monitoring of your food. Sleek and professional in design, this 6-piece set is perfect for anyone seeking durable, high-performance cookware that elevates everyday meals and simplifies kitchen tasks. Number 1. The CAROTE 26-piece pots and pans set is a comprehensive cookware collection designed for both beginner and experienced home cooks. Crafted with nonstick surfaces, the set ensures easy food release and quick cleanup, making cooking stress-free. It includes a variety of pots, pans, and lids to handle everything from frying and sautéing to boiling and simmering. The induction-compatible design allows it to work on all cooktops, including gas, electric, and induction, providing versatile cooking options. Durable construction ensures even heat distribution, preventing hot spots and improving cooking performance. The ergonomic handles offer comfort and safety during use, while the sleek, modern design adds style to any kitchen. Overall, the CAROTE 26-piece set delivers functionality, durability, and convenience, making it an excellent all-in-one solution for everyday cooking needs.
Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon and commenting below. Check out the description to find product link.